On number 7, I'm trying to solve the equation using the square root property. And my first step in doing that is to isolate the squared term, or in this case the x squared. So I want to subtract 49 from both sides to get 4x squared is equal to negative 49. Then I want to divide both sides by 4. And then to get rid of that square, I want to take the square root of both sides. Now the square root will eliminate the square, but on the other side I got to make sure that I put the plus minus because I need to account for both solutions. And then if we actually use the square root, this is going to be plus or minus 7 over 2, because the square root of 49 is 7 and the square root of 4 is 2. But because there was this negative on the inside of the radical, we need to put an I. So x will be equal to plus or minus 7 over 2 times I. And then the expanded form of this, if you want to write like that, would be 7 over 2 times I and negative 7 over 2 times I.